Welcome back to part 3 of learning Java with beginners. So, as we learned in the previous part, we created a file named firstpro.java and we used the following code to print the amazing journey to learn Java. So, now we will explain in this video every line of a code that runs in a Java must be inside a class. And the class name should always start with the uppercase first letter. As you can see that my first underscore pro has F capital in it. Java is a case sensitive language. Let me write it. In order to write a comment, you need 2/. Java is a case sensitive language. Now, let me tell you more about it. Like, as we named our file name as first underscore pro, so capital F first underscore pro and small underscore pro both has different meanings in it. The name of the Java file must match with the class name, and when saving the file, save it using the class name and add a .java extension to the end of the file name. To run the example above, now click on it and just run it. You can see that we are getting an output onto the terminal. Amazing journey to learn Java. Now let's understand what is the main method. So the main method is required you need to mention it as public static void main string args. Any code inside this main method will be executed. Don't worry about the keywords before and after it. You will get to know when you follow my tutorial bit by bit. For now, just remember that every program has a class name which must match the file name, and that every program must contain the main method. Moving on to what is system.out.println. So inside the main method, we can use the println method to print a line of text to the screen, as it got printed out here onto the terminal as amazing journey to learn Java. Now the curly braces marks the beginning and the end of the code. This curly braces marks the beginning and this curly braces marks the ending. System is a built-in Java function, so you can't do anything with it. Like that contains useful members such as out, which is a short form of output. The println method is a short form of print line, is used to print a value onto a screen or a file. Don't worry too much about how system.out.println works. Just know that you need them together to print the stuff that you want to print out onto your terminal part. You should also note that each statement that you are writing onto this inside the main method must end with a semicolon. I've also got quiz for you to making concepts more clear. So let's get started. Now the first question is, a file containing a class called myClass should be saved as we learned that any class name should have the file extension .java. So here the option will be myclass.java. The next question is, Java is a case sensitive. MyClass and in small letter MyClass has different meaning. As I told you that yes, Java is a case sensitive language and each has a different meaning. So yes, the option will be true. Moving on to the next question, insert the missing part of the code below to output the following output like hello world. So as I said, for printing out, we must write system, which has S capital in it, and then out, and then println in order to print the answer. So this is also a correct answer. Now the next question is, in Java, each code statement must end with a semicolon. Answer is true.